Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Ibrahim Jamila and my friend Zahir Bakdash from Arab Open University. We will talking about our project Home Automation System and we divide our explain to three parts. First one, we will talking about general idea and electric device. Then in part 2, we will talking about web application. And in part 3, we will talking about connection and testing between website and our home.
Hello and welcome with the first part of our project Home Automation System from Arab Open University. In this part we will be discuss general idea about Home Automation System and also will be discuss some information about devices we are using, electronic devices we are using in our project. First we start with introduction to the Home Automation System. This project presents to implementation of home automation system with remote control through the network using website application. This project is intended to achieve communication and control between electronic devices in home and smart devices such as mobile and a computer. It is in line with the requirement of the modern development in homes. And additionally, the idea of home automation system will be improve the normal living status at the houses. In this project, home automation system control system use the Ethernet modem to connecting the microcontroller Arduino Mega to the Ethernet for access the smartphone and the PC. Special smart website application using for control some function inside the homes. For example, light control system, air condition control system, doors control system, security system, fire protection system, gas leakage protection system, motion system for secure, ultrasonic system for light system. Important information in this project Home Automation System in Arab Open University, we try to address some of the basic tasks at home in general without going into deep details. Let we start with the door control system. Door control system consists of ultrasonic sensor and RFID card reader and fingerprint and electric motor using for control open and close the door from servo, and also RFID for close the door when the person go inside the door. This system work in this way. First, let we start with door system in our project Home Automation System. The door system in our project consists of ultrasonic sensor and RFID card reader and fingerprint, and we use electric motor servo. This motor can control open and close the door, and we use infrared sensor to close the door when the person go inside the home. Now the system it's work like this. When the user going close to the door, the ultrasonic sensor detects the moving and give order to the light system to start the light on the door, this light. Now the user have two options to open the door. If he have RFID card or have a fingerprint. If you use RFID card, you put the RFID card on the RF reader. The door is open automatically if it's correct RFID card, and the green light is here on. To close the door, the user must be go inside the home. When he go inside the home and reach special area inside the home, the sensor, the infrared sensor can detect the moving and give order to the door to close the door. The RFID reader send information to the website by the time and the date and the name of the person who have the RFID card. Now the second option to open the door is by using the fingerprint. The fingerprint save inside fingerprint for person allowed to open the door. If you try to open the door like this, and if there is matching between the fingerprint and the database, the door it will be open automatically. And the green light you can see here, that meaning is accept to enter the home. To close the door, also you have to enter inside the room, and this special sensor, infrared sensor, is used to close the door automatically when you go inside the room. The fingerprint sensor sends information to the website about the name and the date and the time of the person who opened the door. Now we spoke about security system. In our project security system, we use motion detection sensor. This sensor works from the website. If the user affect in the website and give order to this sensor to start secure the home, the sensor works like this. If you outside the home and there is any moving inside the home, you see the green lights, that means there is some movement inside the home, and automatically send message to the website. And in the website have two options, to give alarm inside the home or send message to the user there is movement in the home. Now I will be explain about the sensor we are using in our project. The first small sensor here in the bottom, it's temperature sensor. This sensor sends to the website information about actual temperature in the room and also send information about humidity. The second one, it's a flame sensor. The flame sensor working to detect if there is any fire inside the home and send alarm and can start alarm system inside the home. Also send a message to the website there is any if there is any fire inside the home. It's work like this. If there is any fire, it can send alarm, and you can see the red light for error is coming for alarm is coming here in the top. The third sensor, it's gas sensor. The gas sensor is work to detect if there is any gas leakage in the home and give alarm. It's give alarm like toot inside the home. And also this sensor is to send the message to the website to tell the user if there is any gas leakage inside the home. The last one is the light sensor. This sensor working on measuring the light outside the home. It is dark or light, and send information to the light system to control the intensity of the light inside the home. It's work like this. Here you can see alarm number 1. It's working for security system and door system. Alarm number 2, it's working for gas sensor and flame sensor. The last one is here to reset the system if there is any problem. The fan here, it's used for start and stop the AC condition. This is control room in our project. It have Arduino Mega and Ethernet shield to connect to the internet. Here you can see display panel of our project. This display panel consists of USB connection to connect the Arduino Mega to the computer for programming the Arduino. 3 switch on off. It's used the first one to Arduino power supply. The second one is power supply 5 volt 5 ampere used for control the door and the light system. Number 3 switch is used to USB data connection between the Arduino and the computer. This panel display have 6 indicators. The first indicator is Arduino power supply. The second indicator is power supply 5 volt 5 ampere. The third indicator is USB data connection. The first indicator is Ethernet connection on or off. The fifth indicator is security system active. And the last indicator is the home error. At the end, here you can see the electric wiring for our project. All the sensor and all the lights are connecting to the Arduino through this net wiring. You can see here the input 220 volt AC, and you can see here the transformer from 220 to 7.5 volt 2 ampere. This transformer using for feeding the Arduino Mega. And you can see the second transformer is 220 volt AC to 5 volt DC. It's 5 ampere using for feeding the door system and also the light system in the home. And here you can see the servo motor. This motor used for open and close the door.
Hello again and welcome to second part of our project, Home Automation System for Arab Open University. In this part, we will talking about web page application. This is the first page in website that will allow username and administrator to access to main web page, like room pages and control page and others. Login page has a validation system to check if username and password for each regular username or administrator is correct. If username field or password field has a wrong value or empty value, the validation system will showing error message. For example, I will put test in username validation and error message will be displayed like this. This is the home page of our website. It consists to main bar, welcome message, left bar and body. In main bar is links to other rooms like control room, room 1, room 2, room 3, garage, front yard and roof. Welcome message show the name of user who's entered to website. The left bar show the status of internet connection, door status, motion status. If internet connection is working, will show green icon. If not working, it show red icon. The left bar shows some status of internet connection, door status, motion status. If internet connection is working, will display green icon. If not working, will display a red icon. If door is opened, will display green icon. If it's closed, will display red icon. Motion status, if there any motion in the home, will display a red icon. If no motion in the home, will display the green icon. The body of home page shows the values that read it from microcontroller sensors. For example, we have inside temperature and humidity, and also outside of temperature and humidity of data city. This is a gas value, fire value, and light value. Body also is links for important other pages like operating records and setting. And here we have a number of alarms in our house. The next page we will talking about is the setting page. This is a user controlling page for adding, updating, and deleting users. This page has a security system, so regular user cannot enter into this page, and only users have an administrator category are allowed to accessing to this page. If regular users trying to enter into this page, the security system will display the error page, and we will talking about security system in testing part with more details. Now we will talking about operating records page. This page lists the last 4 updates to the database from the following operations. The newly added values of temperature and humidity sensors, gas sensors, flame sensors, light sensors, fingerprint, and card readers. Fingerprint and card readers device showing the last 4 people who entered to the house. The benefit of this page is that it acts as security system that can be referenced and used as evidence when investigating if something goes wrong with the system. Next page we will talking about is the room page, and I take this room for example. This page allows user to doing some action like turn lights on and off and controlling to other device like Wi-Fi, TV, PC, power, video cam, drip, condition, and Bluetooth. This page also has an information about climate in this page, like temperature, humidity, light, with diagram about this information.
Hello and welcome at the third part of our project Home Automation System at Arab Open University. In this part, we will discuss the communication between the control device. You can see in the bottom the video about home, actual home, and in the top there is our website application. First, we discuss the internet connection. On the left side, you can see here the internet connection. It's green, that meaning there is connection to the home. And also on the home, you can see here, this is the blue light is indicating to the Ethernet connection on. Now we start discuss door system. And this system you can see on the left side, this icon, the situation of the door, it's red, and there is no anyone enters the door now. If we try to open the door from actual by using RFID or fingerprint, you can see here in the actual the green light and the door is open now. If we go to this icon again, you can see it's the color of the door, it's changed to the green, and the person who entered to the home there is his name. If we close the door, also the person go inside, and you can see the situation, it's changed to the red, and the name of the person who entered last one, it's disappear. Now we start discuss about security system in our project. The security system work with the motion sensor. In this icon you can see the security system is off, and in this icon it's the motion situation. First of all, if you go outside of the home, you have to affect the security system by push on this icon. You can see the color is changed. Now it's security system on. Now if someone go inside the home and you are outside the home, you can see this red line here, and you can see here the situation of the motion, it's changed to red color. Now we discuss the temperature sensor. The temperature sensor sent to the website 2 reading. One is for temperature and the second one is for humidity. You can see here the temperature, it's now 33. If we try to change, we put some just something cold on the sensor just to see the reading, how to change it inside the website. You can see now it's 30, and even it will be this one. You can see the temperature can be go to the 29 and so on until reaches the room temperature. And also you can see the humidity. Here you can see the temperature outside in the city in Jeddah. The temperature now it's 30 outside, and the humidity it's 50%. Here we can see the gas ratio in the home. You can see now it's 17%. The gas ratio it's a change if there is any leakage of the gas in the home. So we use this fighter to just check. You can see now it's the ratio is a change now. It's 300, and you can hear alarm in the home, and you can see here this alarm coming from the gas. That means there is a gas leakage in the home. And here you can see the alarm indicator. That means in the home it's actually red light flashing. That means there is some alarm in the home. Here we can see the light intensity and lux. The reading change from the sensor, so it's a change automatically in the website. It's like this when it's coming to dark. You can see it's now 32 lux, and now you can it's 30, and when coming more dark you can change to 9. It's too much dark, it's 0 now. When I put the light again, it's coming to 49 lux. Actually just the light intensity in the room where we are make recorder now. Now we discuss the light system in our project home automation system. The light system, we have to go inside the room. From the main bar we check the room we needed to go inside. Here we can see the room, all the room option. On the left side you can see the light system. The light system it's work in 2 mode, auto mode or hand mode. The auto mode, the light system work automatic by the light sensor outside and controls the light. As now when we push on the auto, you can see in the auto the system work automatically, and then you can see the light in our home it's started automatically, and the luminous of the light change it as the dark or light outside. If we change to the hand mode, just I want to tell you, if we are working on the auto, we cannot control the hand. We cannot control the light system from here. You can see here, you cannot control the light system. If we change to the hand mode, like now, the home now start to change it to the hand mode. And now we can control the light system by hand. You can see now it's the first, now it's all the light is off in the home. And here it's now we can remote and control all this option. For example, if we start the first light, you can see the light in the home, it will be started, but take it just a small time, so because it's through the internet connection. You can see now the light is working now with a small luminous. If we change it now, if we need more lighter, we can change to this situation to have a more lighter in the room. You can see that change it here in the photo. If we need more, you can go also check this, the last one, it's the light with the maximum power. You can see now the difference on the low and the video. To switch off, you can go to switch it off here, and you can see the light all on the home, it's a switch off. Now we discuss the air conditioning system in our project. Inside the room, you can see here on the right side this icon, it's for air condition. This icon, it's working even by automatically from the sense the temperature outside or inside the room, temperature inside the room, and work automatic. When the temperature increases and arrive to the 30 degrees, the AC condition it's work automatically. Now it's in hand mode, the AC condition it's working by hand. Just we needed to click here on this icon to start it the AC condition. You can see now, and you can also hear the sound. This is the sound and for AC condition. If you want to stop now the AC condition, just also we click on the AC condition. You take small time, but you can see now the AC condition.
At the end of this video, me and my friend thank all people who help us, especially our supervisor, Dr. Sheikhan Bawzir, and we hope good luck for us and for everyone. Thank you.